hello friends. I welcome you all back to my channel Chop and Choose Kitchen at Bakes.com. I am here with another recipe in my kitchen that is called ghee rice. In a simple way and in simple method, I am going to tell you this. For this, only few ingredients are needed. So let's see all the ingredients. I have taken Zeera Samba rice here. I have soaked this. This will not take more time to be soaked. In this glass, in this small glass, I have taken 3.5 cups, 3.5 glass, and I have soaked this. If we do the ghee rice in Zeera Samba, the smell and the taste will be very good. For that, I have taken onion, 2 medium size of onion I have taken, 4 green chilies I have taken. We are not going to add the chili powder, so this spiciness only have to come. I have added 4 green chilies and 1 tomato we are going to use in this, not more of tomatoes. The spices, I have taken 3 cardamoms, 5 cloves and 3 cinnamons. Taken a little bit of curry leaves here, ginger garlic paste, salt, ghee. I have taken half a bowl of coriander leaves, half a bowl of mint leaves. These are all the items that we are going to use in this. So now let's start. So now to start with this, I have taken a pan. Let my pan get heated up. Now to this, I will add 3 tablespoons of oil, and 2 tablespoons of ghee in this. For the ghee rice, don't add ghee totally. Add a little bit of refined oil and then ghee you have to add. And while giving dum also, we will be adding a little bit of ghee. Now to this, I am adding all the spices. Now to this, I am adding the onions too. 2 medium size of onions I have taken. I am going to add this too in that. Now saute this nicely. Now these onions, while you are sauteing, it should not turn to golden brown. The color of the rice also will change, because we are not going to add the other ingredients and all, chili powder and all. So it should be white in color. So don't saute the onions till golden brown. Just to an extent you have to fry this. Till it gets soft only you have to saute this. For the ghee rice only we have to follow this procedure. Now see, my onions have turned soft. Now to this, I am going to add the ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste I am adding in this. My spoon is very small only, so I am adding 2. Now saute this very nicely. To this, I am adding green chilies also. Green chilies, I have split this. You can see this. I have split the green chili. I don't know whether you can see or not. I have slightly split this green chili. I am adding into this. Till the raw smell goes off, we have to saute this. Now the raw smell has gone. I am adding the curry leaves which I have taken and kept. This gives a nice aroma. Add the tomatoes. Only one medium size of tomato I have added in this. Don't add more tomatoes. Soft till the tomatoes get soft. Add a little bit of water if needed to make the tomato soft. Now to this I am adding mint leaves. Only a few mint leaves I have taken, and the coriander leaves I am going to add in this. A handful of coriander leaves and then a handful of mint leaves I have taken for this. Fry this up nicely in this masala itself. Now to this I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt. Now I am going to add water in that. I have taken water in the same glass in which I have taken the rice. I have took 3.5 glass of water. In this I am adding 7 glass of water. With this glass itself I am adding 7 glass because this doesn't need more of water to cook. Basmati Zeera Samba doesn't need more of water to cook. So add only 1 glass for 1 glass of rice. I have added 7 glass of water in that for 3.5 glass of rice. So if we need more of water, if you feel that we need more water to cook the rice, then you can keep hot water ready for that. You can add when you feel that the rice have to be boiled some more, you can add to that time. Now let this water boil nicely, then we will add the rice. After 5 minutes, water is nicely boiling. In this stage, we will add the rice. I have drained all the water and I am adding the rice in this. Now I have added the rice. It's boiling very nicely. Can't express you in words. That much of nice smell is coming. Zeera Samba rice, that ghee, the flavors of that mint leaves, coriander leaves. Oh wow, you will love it. It is not like that you have to do in Zeera Samba rice only. You can do it in normal rice also, but for more taste I am doing this in Zeera Samba rice, this ghee rice actually. Biryani also will not be good in Zeera Samba rice. For biryanis, I prefer basmati rice, and for the ghee rice and all, Zeera Samba rice is best choice. Now we will cover this and keep this for 10 to 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am going to remove this and I am going to keep an unused tawa underneath and leave it for dum for 10 minutes. Now I felt that the water is less only, so I am going to add 1 glass of hot water in this. Now after 5 minutes we'll see how my rice is. We will add 1 teaspoon of ghee again. I have added ghee. Now mix the rice only once. See how nicely it is cooked. The smell is very, very good. We will serve this in a plate. Now I have served this in a plate. Hot ghee rice. You can take this with mutton gravy, chicken gravy, Even the fish gravy, that will be very good. Please do try it at home. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Bye.